101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Alright, guys, so yeah, here we are again, as usual, every Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. We have a very interesting program, absolutely with Smart FM Makassar, namely Smart Up Your Life English Discussion with English Communities. Alright, guys, so yes, smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, of course. I'm here, I'm Naufal. I'm as a host, and now, of course, we already have friends here that coming from a various kind of English communities, especially in Makassar. Hello, guys. Hello. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Great. Feeling great. Feeling great. Like a shit. Okay. So yeah. Before we are going to discuss about our topic for this evening, yeah, maybe we can keep in touch with all the special guests, all the speakers here, one by one. Yeah, maybe we can start from the beautiful one here. Okay, so yeah, introduce yourself. What is your name, and also where you come from, or what is your community? Just a little bit. Okay.
Thank you for the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naya, but you can
Okay.
call me Naya. But
Okay.
sometimes ChatGPT call me Lily or Anna.
Oh, Lily. Okay, Naya.
Yes, Naya.
Okay,
Okay.
Naya.
And I am from Eliot. It's a
Mhm.
community
Oh.
community volunteer based. It's focused on two social
Mhm.
and department, social and education.
Social and education,
And
right?
But in education, we have our own way to teach. Like
Mm-hmm.
we teach them in have storytelling.
Wow, yeah.
Yes, and
Teaching in English.
teaching English. Yes,
Wow, that's great.
but actually we're not English community.
Mm-hmm.
But since most of us are from English department,
Mm-hmm.
we speak English.
Okay, yeah. So that's great.
Yeah.
Voluntary based.
Yes,
right?
volunteer based.
Mm-hmm. So what the program? What else? You know, the program in your community.
We have one big program every year,
Mhm.
and it's called ELCOF,
Mhm.
Eliot's Eco Event.
Wow.
It's for a competition
Mhm.
for junior high school or senior high school, but in the theme is like caring for the earth.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow, that's great. Right.
and
Mhm.
in this year we will have the big event, and the registration will start on 1st August
Mhm.
until 20 August. So
Okay,
for
so
the
yeah.
high schooler,
Yeah, yeah.
don't miss out.
Don't miss out the
Yes.
competition, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Naya.
Thank you.
We move from our right side. Yeah. Just introduce yourself and also your community.
Hello, thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah.
My name is Fikri, but you can call me Fikri, and
Okay.
I'm from BPC. As you know that it's BPC, one of the oldest community English club
Yeah.
community in Makassar,
Mhm.
that established in, if I remember correctly,
Mhm.
in 1960s. It's a 1960.
Oh, 1960s. Oh,
Yeah, it's
so
very
old.
I don't know correctly.
Okay, yeah. It's not no problem. Okay. And then
And our main agenda is
Mhm.
as LSM, Lovely Sunday
what's
Meeting.
that? Mhm.
We discuss about something else, that we discuss about the topic that we made,
Mhm.
we make
Uh-huh.
before the LSM.
Oh.
It's talking about maybe social, or maybe education,
Oh.
or maybe about environment,
Mhm.
etc.
Okay, so the topic is so wide, eh?
Yep, it's all right.
Mhm. Wow, that's great.
And each month, we after discuss, we do review books. It's more like Makassar party book, but we must explain our book in English.
Oh, so yeah, you can explain the book to review it.
Yep,
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's great.
that's all.
Okay, thank you. And yeah, we move to the right side again. Yes, just say your name and also explain your community.
Okay. Let me introduce myself. My name
Mhm.
is Jagad Priyabudantoro, and you can call me Jagad.
Okay, hello Jagad.
Hello.
Okay.
I'm from ECC.
Mhm.
ECC, it's English camp and community.
Mm-hmm.
You must, if you want to join, you must dormitory.
Mm-hmm.
uh,
So you live in the dormitory.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's once month,
Mm-hmm.
and our activities is maybe vocabulary,
Mm-hmm.
and then after pronouns,
Yeah.
grammar, structure, and
Wow, grammar.
yeah.
And
then-
also,
and then we must discuss if the night.
wow. So every night you discuss
Every
about,
night.
anything.
Yeah, about anything.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so yeah, here is Jagad and Fikri and also Naya here. Okay, so smart viewers and also smart listeners, because all of the guests, all the speakers already introduced themselves. So yeah, let's begin our topic. Okay, so smart viewers and also smart listeners, yeah, nowadays certainly we find it very easy to access the update information, right? Like maybe the information is from around us, maybe the information is from our community or domestically, and also maybe the information is coming from abroad, right? And yeah, moreover, the all the social media platforms that we have now, such as Facebook, we know Instagram, and also X, aka Twitter, and the other thing like TikTok and etc. All the social media platforms make it easier to us to find new information, like yeah, the update information around the world. Okay, so but sometimes maybe smart viewers and also smart listeners at home really happen in their lives. Sometimes we find like the situation is very confusing. It's very confusing. Like whether this information that we get at the time, is it really true or it's untrue information? It's fake. It's hoax. Right, so maybe we already experienced about the things about hoax. So yeah, my first question to all of you guys, what makes you interested to join with us and discuss about Hoax Era in the Smart FM Makassar, and also maybe you can divine like hoax in your way, in your mind. What comes in your mind if you talk about hoax, and what makes you interested to join with us and discuss about it? Yeah, maybe we can start from Naya.
Okay, why am I interested in this topic?
Yeah.
Because but honestly at first I am forced to joining this, but since
Yeah,
I
welcome.
haven't tried I haven't tried to speak in English fully, so I have to challenge myself here.
Okay. So you really like challenge.
Not really. because
Challenge yourself.
Yes, I challenge myself.
Okay.
And what makes me interested, because hoax is really happen almost
Yeah.
every day nowadays,
Yeah.
because
Exactly.
the digital, like we have AI now, and they mimic voices, faces, or even
Yeah.
videos like
that's
that.
true.
And some of us like being lazy to read or do some research to find the truth information, or
Okay.
and finding that is it true or false.
Okay, so you experience a lot about hoax, right?
I did.
Okay, so keep your statement. Yeah, we move to Kak Fikri. Okay, so can you define like what is hoax in your mind, and also what makes you interested to join with us?
Okay, when I define the hoax, it's what is the meaning of hoax? Okay, what is the meaning? It's about the misleading information.
Yeah,
that
misleading
it's,
information.
It's meaning information that we can get from anywhere,
Yeah,
even in our environment or maybe in social media.
yeah, right.
But why it makes it interesting, because most of people doesn't realize about this, because it's very dangerous if we keep this misleading. For example, like in Iraq, when Saddam Hussein, when USA give statement that is the
This is very dangerous for
yeah,
us.
it's dangerous.
Yeah, if we don't like don't realize about the thing like that, yeah, it's been really dangerous, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, yeah, keep your statement. We move to Kak Jagad. Yeah, okay. So what is your statement about it? So can you define your perspective about hoax itself?
Okay.
Mhm.
It's the what to say, Mr. Rizky.
Fikri?
It's very dangerous because
Okay.
the society, it's very apa, ignore,
Yeah, yeah.
and very maybe
Yeah, like they don't realize about the truth, right?
yeah.
Mhm. And then
It's very easy to spread information.
yeah, yeah.
F-
Yeah, because the social media platform
Yeah,
right
yeah,
now.
yeah.
And then
and then I think it's very problem
wow, yeah,
in
yeah.
society.
Mhm.
I think that.
Okay, so it means, yeah, you means like this hoax is very it's like a really big problem for us, like in the society. If we don't realize about the true about something, the update information is very dangerous for us and a very big problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, my next question is about like do you have like any experience like a hoax in your real life, like maybe a little hoax, or you mean like it's very big hoax in your life? Maybe Kak Fikri want to answer my question. Yeah, do you have like experience, do you have experience you get some hoax news, yeah, in your real life, maybe in WhatsApp or something like that?
Okay, yes, I do. When I was a student of Islamic boarding school, when for your information that each Islamic boarding school has a different rules about back to home.
Oh,
in
yeah.
in my Islamic boarding school, we have each month we have two days.
2 days to back home.
Yeah, to back home.
Mhm.
That some what is the English of pelaku? Maybe
yeah,
we can say the oknum
yeah.
that he gave
Uh-huh.
the misinformation about the came to back to home.
Okay, like the agenda.
Yeah, the agenda. So it's
Okay.
it's very awful situation.
Oh.
Some student already
Mhm.
prepared
Mhm.
to go to home.
Yeah.
But when my teacher said,
At the time.
no, not at the time. After prayer Maghrib,
Oh.
he said that there is no agenda to go back to home.
Oh.
Really, it's
It's misleading.
yeah, it's misleading. After that, our like why
your
why-
friend.
yeah, your friend,
Uh-huh.
it's disappointed about that.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
it's very awful.
So how about your friend that already prepared?
Yeah, we cannot do anything about that
Yeah, yeah.
because the teacher already gave the statement that
Mhm.
there is no agenda.
Okay, so yeah, maybe your friends feel like embarrassed,
Embarrassed.
Maybe he feels so sad and shy to all of
Yeah.
your friends because
Absolutely.
of the false information
Yeah.
from your senior, maybe,
I don't know if it's information or not, but
or
it's,
just maybe
it's very vital in
Oh.
in our society, in our environment.
Okay, yeah, maybe just same to you because I'm also come from a Islamic boarding school at the time in my junior high school. Okay, so yeah, I already experienced like that because yeah, misleading information about the agenda back to home.
Yeah.
He said at the time, my senior said, yeah, we will back home at Thursday, next week, but it's false. It's not true. He lied at the time. So wow, it's very embarrassing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Kak Fikri. Maybe we move to Kak Jagad. Do you have any experience about hoax?
I think I don't have, because
Wow.
if I
So
find
safety.
because if I find news information,
Mhm.
I wanna find out more.
Yeah, wow, that's true. That's
Yeah.
true. Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
And then,
And then
yeah.
so after now I don't have.
Oh, so you didn't have an experience
Yeah,
about
I
it.
don't have experience.
And so yeah, how about you? Like, what is your perspective about Fikri experience?
It's funny.
Yeah, yeah.
maybe I think it's your friend.
It's viral. Not fun, but
Uh,
it's viral.
Maybe
Yeah.
it's just
Just like
just
me,
kidding,
make
yeah,
jokes, yeah.
make jokes, yeah,
Make jokes or
things
like
that-
having fun,
Yeah.
right? Okay, thank you.
But it's funny.
Okay, yeah,
But
yeah.
but my friend, when the results, main results are that
Mhm.
he already told by the teachers that
Wow.
it would be the agenda,
Uh-huh.
but I don't know why that it's cancelled.
Oh, it can.
I don't know, it's cancelled. It really cancelled or not?
And we're really disappointed, right? Okay, yeah. Thank you, Kak Fikri, and also Jagad. Yeah, we move to Naya. Do you have any experience about hoax?
Actually, I did days ago.
Many?
Mm, many.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will tell you this.
Yeah,
Day
the
when-
recently.
Yes. And at the time,
Mm-hmm.
in my group chat class,
Mhm.
we decide to have online classes
Okay.
with our lecture.
Okay, so the
but-
plan is
Online.
online class.
Yes.
Okay.
But suddenly, my friend said that she made the lecture in our campus,
Mm-hmm.
and after that, she said that on our group chat,
Mm-hmm.
we have a final exam today.
Wow.
That really made me upset because I have to prepare myself for 3
Yeah.
hours to go
Uh-huh.
to my uni, and my home really far from uni.
Yeah.
So, and at the time it's also raining, and that's really makes me upset until
Yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't talk to her
Yeah.
like 2 days.
Wow.
Because I was panicking at the time. Why we are having a final exam all of a sudden?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's very suddenly.
Yes, because it's getting nosy also
Mhm,
in my group
mhm.
chat. It's not only me, but all
Yeah,
of my
yeah,
friends.
all of your friends
Yes,
must be upset, right?
yes,
about
because
it.
we decide to have online class, but
Uh-huh.
since she was there for doing something for her thesis things,
Mhm.
she made that lecture.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
So I
so,
didn't attend the
yeah.
class at all because
Wow.
suddenly.
Because he's so
Yes,
upset, right?
I didn't attend the class because
Mhm.
when I get to the bus, and it's almost 11 a.m.
Mhm.
but
Wow.
the class is done at 12 a.m.
Oh.
Yes, I have 1 hour in the bus.
Yeah.
For being in the bus.
1 hour. So
Yes.
take a long time.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe all of us have experienced like a very very big hoax. You know, how to say Kiamat 2012, 2012. It's a very very big hoax. You know, at the time I'm just at 6th grade in elementary school. You know, because yeah, you know, I'm so didn't know anything about that, and suddenly the information come to me, and yeah, it's really make me so how to say, yeah. Yeah, very scared. Well, whoa, 2012 will be the end of the world. Yeah, December at the time. Yeah, so this very big hoax. It's very dangerous for us to realize about it, right? And yeah, my next question, do you think, like, in your opinion, does a hoax originate from a people who are really misinformed, or maybe the hoax is could it be come from a people just like making jokes or something, having fun, or maybe the information even like playing so well, so, like well prepared, and being beyond our expectation, right? Yeah, maybe Kak Jagad want to answer my question. Yeah, do you think, in your opinion, about the hoax itself, is it really coming from a people really misinformed, or maybe it's just like the same at the experience from Kak Fikri, is like just having jokes, having fun, or maybe yeah, they plan. Yeah, the background of the hoax is they really well prepared of the hoax to spread in wide community. Yeah, what is your expectation? What is your perspective about it?
Yeah, I think if the same friends, it's just jokes.
Oh yeah.
But if
Yeah, some of us like that. Making jokes. Okay.
yeah, but if share in social media maybe, or
Mhm.
may insert to news,
Yeah.
I think it's the not jokes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you mean like it's well prepared.
Yeah, I think it's that.
Mhm. Oh, yeah, that's true. So, and again, about the hoax itself, you mean like, if maybe really some people maybe get information and misinform, do you think how the people can fight against that, against how they can fight against the hoax that already spread in the community? What is your how to say, what is in your view?
Of course, you must find out more.
Yeah. Mhm.
Information is there, because if you just see in the thumbnail,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, because the thumbnail is sometimes make us very confused, right?
it is that.
Okay, so yeah, do you think like we have to find more
Yeah.
about the news, right?
News information.
Okay, thank you, Kak Jagad. Yeah, we move to Kak Fikri. Yeah, so how about you? About the maybe it's really a misinformed, or maybe it's just having fun, or maybe it's well prepared, the hoax itself.
I think we must see the condition first.
Mhm.
The condition,
Okay.
the main of the research.
Oh,
I mean, where they take from,
Mm-hmm.
and after that,
Where
if
they take
yeah,
the news,
the news,
information.
and after that, if in our environment,
Mhm.
we must identify it is she, he always
Uh-huh.
always say the lie news or not.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe I know this. Maybe in one of the logical fallacy.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's called ad hominem. I know, but in maybe if you know that in I forgot what is the book that we must
Mhm.
see this thing.
Mhm.
We must where this come from and what is the situation.
Okay, so we have to identify.
Identify it, and if the condition maybe between our friend, maybe it's
Mhm.
maybe become a jokes maybe.
Yeah.
But we cannot make sure it is fakes or not.
Mhm.
Maybe
Yeah.
they just give real news, but
Mhm.
he
So, yeah, like
make a box like it is a jokes.
yeah, you mean like how your friend deliver
Yeah, deliver the news,
the information.
Yeah,
It seems
Eh,
like jokes, but it's really
Yeah.
news. Okay.
So
Mhm.
we actually say it's very difficult.
Mhm.
It's difficult to
Yeah.
display between real news and fake news.
Mm-hmm.
You must identify the where is this news come from,
Yeah.
and if you get the news, if you don't know it is this news is fake or real, you must combine all news
Wow.
in the same title.
Mm-hmm.
Like maybe if maybe for example in this phenomenon about
World War.
yeah, world war, that I was that you must combine that news,
Yeah, yeah,
see it is real or not,
Mhm.
and we must and about how about the local people about it, we must see the point of view about the local.
Oh, the respond. The
The
respond.
no, not the respond, the local,
Uh-huh.
the victim about the war.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Maybe
The victim, yeah.
maybe they can give the videos about the real
So,
situation
to prove
to prove it is real or not.
Okay, okay, yeah, that's true. Okay, thank you, Fikri. Yeah, we move to Kak Naya. So, how about you? About the hoax itself, is it coming from the people who misinformate, or maybe it's coming from just like the Kak Fikri and Kak Jagad said before, like our friend said before, the friend just making a jokes, making have fun, or yeah, maybe it's really really well prepared and spread to the community, to spread in the world. Mhm.
It can be actually all of that,
Mhm.
because sometimes people when get the information they got panicking, so they spread it
Yeah,
right away.
yeah, the first one, the first thing that we maybe get after, yeah, we see the false information, yeah, we must be panic, right?
Yes.
Mhm. And then
And then some news sometimes just making it so they're posting
Mhm,
and
yeah, yeah.
get grow engagement,
Wow,
and
yeah.
and they will get money from that.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
yes,
Maybe.
it always happen
It's
to
always
just to
happen.
make us comment the post and give the reaction, and
Yeah, yeah.
it will give their money.
Mm,
So
so,
it
yeah.
always happen.
They like influence,
Yes,
all of
influence,
us,
yes.
right? Like the citizens and social media platforms, right?
Yes.
Very influenced about the viral
The
things.
viral things.
Absolutely. Okay. So yeah, do you think like hoax itself is very difficult to to we against the hoax, very difficult or not?
It's actually difficult,
Mhm.
especially for elder, because they can tell which one is the true one. The
Yeah.
truth. Sometimes my mom
True.
asks me, "Is this true or not?" But
Yeah. That's the small thing.
Yes,
Mm-mm.
but gladly she asks, because some elders sometimes just believing on that news spread on the group chat with a forwarded message.
Okay.
But maybe we have to tell them, like, you have to do some research before.
Yeah, to make sure.
Yes, to make sure.
Mhm.
Make sure the information is true or false.
Okay, thank you, Kak Naya.
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe Kak Jagad also, like how we can build our critical thinking, like Kak Naya said before, to maybe so right now we can differentiate between the right or true information. How we can fight against the hardest thing about the hoax itself. Yeah, I mean, like how we can differentiate between the right and also the fake news. How we can identify that?
I think
Yeah, to make sure the information is really true, or yeah, the true condition about the information.
it's era this
Yeah, in this digital era. Mhm.
actually Generation Z. Yeah, because Generation Z it's
Generation Z.
very easy to
Gen Z.
accept it.
Mm-mm.
Maybe misinformation
Mhm.
because it's not find out more or make sure
Mhm. Yeah.
it's news
Mhm.
or information, just see and scroll.
Yeah, so because some
and
of
believe
us,
and believe.
some of us like being lazy to scroll to find it more about condition, the real condition. Maybe some of us always just see the comment, just see the comments, how the condition about it, and oh maybe it's war, okay.
and
Okay.
and they believe it.
Yeah. The worst thing is they believe it, right? They believe it. They didn't find it like, is it true or is it? Yeah, because how we build our critical thinking is very difficult, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, so maybe Kak Fikri want to join to discuss about it. Yeah, like how we can build our critical thinking to make sure the news or the information update that we get nowadays is true or false.
For me, just one answer. You must train it your critical thinking.
Yeah.
It is very important.
Yeah.
Like it's brain like we can explain the brain like a knife.
Oh.
The more you what is the English asa?
I mean, you have to be, how to say, mengasah, and
Like you must and the more you asa, the more
Mhm.
sharp your knife.
Yeah.
So that's why like you must train and train your
Mhm. Yeah,
critical thinking.
Yeah.
Even the news one come from you think that it is a nice person or maybe the truth person.
Yeah.
You must even you don't know this.
Oh, so you mean like even the information or the news that you get is come from a good person? We must to searching more, right?
Yep, we must.
Yeah, we must to, how to say, like to research.
Research more, but more.
More. Okay, so how about the viral, like the update information right now? The word war, the third world war, as they all of them say about it. So do you think that the hoax it can be disappear, or like,
I think it's impossible. Really, I
Impossible.
think it's it's impossible.
Mhm.
That's why.
Wow.
Why?
Mhm.
Because it is information that most country
Mhm.
want influence the
Mhm.
entire world.
Yeah.
Right. For example, maybe
Because,
like
the recent condition is very it's very dangerous.
very awful. No?
Yeah, awful.
For example, like I will explain that Israel like
Mhm.
they make a fake videos. More fake video that
Yeah.
they influence people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
For-
Maybe Jagad also see the video. The video what the word war.
Yeah, you know that.
Mhm.
You know that.
And I also got one video, fake video, that I got in TikTok, that like how to say, the plane, and they shoot, but
yeah.
It's
but
a video game.
but it's the video game.
Yes.
I just search.
Believe it.
Is it really? Is it because they shoot very very so crazy video. But I search and also research also in the comment. They say, oh, it's just a video game.
Just comment.
Yes. Just see the comments.
Yeah, I got the answer at the comments. It's just a video game. Oh, that's great because it's so real.
Yeah, it looks so real.
It looks so real, the video. Maybe I can show you in another moment. Okay. Yeah. Maybe Kak Jagad want to express more about. Do you think like this hoax phenomena is really difficult to disappear or something like that?
I think now world
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
It's-
about
it's not war nuclear.
Yeah, the nuclear weapon.
Not because I think in technology it's so chunky. What's that?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very developed.
Modern, yes,
developed.
modern, yeah. So I think if there are war 3.
Yeah.
I think war technology.
Wow.
Yeah, I
Oh,
think it's that.
technology war.
Yeah, it is that.
There's not a nuclear weapon.
I know.
So it's all about the technology.
Yeah, because
Okay. Mhm.
technology is very very maybe dangerous
Yeah.
because it's uh
Yeah, hard to explain.
yeah.
About the technology. Okay. Yeah, keep your statement. Yeah, we move to Kak Naya. So, how about you about the nowadays the recent condition about the world war? Do you think there are so many hoax spread in the community in the world? So how about the hoax itself? It's really can be disappear or something?
Saya mas
Fikri.
Kak Fikri,
Mhm.
it's really hard to
Yeah.
disappear the hoax.
Even Kak Fikri said it's impossible.
Yes, impossible. It's impossible because in this digital era,
Mhm.
we have so much platform to make hoaxes.
Mhm.
Like
Yeah.
we have so much AI things like
Artificial
yes,
intelligence,
changing.
right?
Like I've seen the video of Princess Kate,
Mhm.
the UK. It's not her actually because turns
It's
out
AI.
yes, it's
Mm.
AI. She like.
What's about the video?
It's about I forgot, but
Mhm.
it's a fake one because the AI like showing that
Oh.
the movement is really
Yeah.
weird,
Mhm.
weird, and in this era also we have like some of us like having a hard time to apa to read the
Oh, yeah. To research.
yes,
To know more.
to know
Mhm.
more, yes.
Okay, so tell us a bit about the video. How you can differentiate that AI because how like the movement of the video, so you can differentiate this is real or unreal.
Sometimes when I look at the videos, when they show their fingers,
Mhm.
suddenly their fingers like have 6 fingers, and their hair like in this
Mhm.
side is bald and
Mhm.
this side having hair.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, and
Mhm.
you may seen that videos like the president, our president, sing the dangdut songs.
Oh yeah, I already
but
seen about it.
Yes, and people really making fun of it, but
Mhm.
they really having fun for making that videos.
So about the video, we already know about it. like,
Yes.
it's
We
fake.
can, yes.
We can differentiate it. Okay, so it's just like having fun to like making an AI video because some of us can differentiate like this is fake, this is, but sometimes the AI is so it seems so real, so we can hard to differentiate between this is a real video or this is just AI or something like that. Yes, very different. Okay, so move to my next question. In your opinion, who should bear the greatest responsibility in combating or just let's say fight back against the hoax itself? Maybe the government itself, or maybe the social media platform we have to fix about it, or maybe the educational institution, or maybe the society itself. Okay, do you understand about
Yes.
my question? Okay, maybe Kak Naya want to answer my question. Who are really have this big responsibility to compete, to combating, to fight against the hoax? Is it like the government or something?
Of course, first the one who has to take the responsibility for this is government.
Yeah, the
And
first
they-
one is
yes,
government.
government, because they have to make a strict rules.
Okay.
If they make a false information, maybe they will have a what to say, like punishment like that.
yeah.
And
Like about our data is bocor,
Yes.
It's really awful.
and
Oh.
but sometimes government also do the mislead information,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
just
yeah.
to make us feel calm about the situation at this country.
Yeah, yeah.
And but the secondly, the owner of the app itself.
The social media
Yes,
platform.
the social media. I really like the X, the Twitter.
Twitter.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Because when we share the fake news,
Mhm.
they have like,
Grok.
yeah, like, yes, identify like this news is fake.
Oh
It's
yeah,
actually-
yeah. We know. Like the AI itself, the
Yes.
AI from X, because we have ChatGPT, we have Gemini in Androids, right?
Groks.
Groks
Yes,
in
yeah,
X.
X.
Okay.
They
And
really
then-
did it well because X really
Mhm.
make it play
Yeah,
well because
to make it sure.
Make it sure.
To make it sure about the news.
Mm.
Okay. Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true. Okay,
And
so yeah, the first one is government itself.
Government and
Uh-huh.
the owner of
But sometimes government say,
Yeah.
we just human. We are not.
yeah, we are not
We are not
robot.
perfect. we all we
always make
we
mistakes.
always make mistakes. But always.
But always.
But always.
Yeah.
Why always? Okay.
But sometimes also school. It's
yeah.
really we really need
like
to
our institution.
Yes,
Mhm.
like we giving them the education about
Yeah,
the social
maybe
media.
maybe we can make a new curriculum.
Yes,
Mhm,
curriculum
mhm.
about social media. Which one is
Mm.
true? Which one is
Mhm.
false?
which is very how to say
Important.
related to the technology.
Yes.
Very important to
Very important to the
Mhm.
especially for this Gen X,
yeah,
X,
Gen Z,
Gen Z, Gen Z, and Gen Alpha. Because
Mhm.
Gen
yeah,
Alpha,
Gen Alpha didn't
but-
know anything.
yes, but actually Gen Alpha really love to read, and
Mhm.
they really do some search in
Mhm.
Google or maybe ChatGPT,
Mhm.
and to make sure that is it true
Mhm.
or false.
Okay.
Yes.
Just keep your statement. Yeah, we move to Kak Jagad. Okay. So, do you think who is have to be how to say to hold a big responsibility? Is it like our government to fix themselves, or maybe the society itself, or our educational institution, or maybe like our community or something like that? Do you think what is your view?
I didn't get it. What?
I mean, like, what is your opinion? Like, who should bear the big responsibility? Siapa yang
Oh,
akan
yeah,
memegang tanggung jawab itu?
Yeah,
Mhm.
I think it's yourself.
Mhm. Oh, so yeah, you mean like we as a society,
Yeah.
yes, we ourselves. Okay, yeah. And
Ourselves.
then
Because it's if it's your find new news,
Mhm.
you just self maybe make sure,
Mhm.
and then you keep,
Mhm.
and then you keep your, if you find it,
Uh-huh.
you keep, and or you're sharing to your friend or
Uh-huh.
media social,
Uh-huh.
and then I think it's very very
Yeah, you mean like you have to keep the information, and then if you feel it's true, so you can spread to the to
Yeah,
your
I
friend.
see, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I think that's very important, right? Because ourselves we have to search, to research about the new information, and also we have to keep it. And if we really feel that the information is true, this is very very real condition in the update information, so we can spread to our friends, right?
Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, thank you. We move to Kak Fikri. So how about you? How what is your opinion? In your opinion, who become more responsible about the phenomena, the hoax phenomena right here?
Okay. First of all, I wanna divide what is the situation first. The first one is if you are maybe children, maybe or maybe kids.
Mhm.
It's the responsibility is her parents, his parents.
Yeah.
It is first because why
Mm.
the knowledge they come first is from their parents.
Yeah,
So that's why
true.
the environment, especially in family environment, it's more important than society environment. After that, if you are teenager or maybe adult, the I think in his side that
Mhm.
it is in yourself,
Yeah.
because you can think what do you think, what is, you can separate between the hoax one and the real one
Mhm.
and the truth one.
Okay, so you mean like we have to build our, as I said before, like our critical thinking to separate it.
Absolutely.
Okay, yeah, because nowadays it's very dangerous for us. Like our next generation will become more, how to say, is very, yeah. It's, I think like it's very dangerous if we as Gen Z is not keep the true statement about the viral information, right? Okay, so how about you, Naya?
What's the question
Mm.
again? Can you
Mhm.
repeat the question?
Okay, so I mean like this is the new question. I mean like yeah, we already talking about the
Hoax.
generative, the
Ah.
generative AI, yeah, artificial intelligence. We already talk about it, right? So yeah, about the development of the technology, especially the AI, artificial intelligence. Do you expect like this hoax phenomena become more sophisticated? Yeah. Do you expect like it's very difficult to I mean like to fight against it? About the AI itself.
I think it's not that difficult to fight, to get to know about the differences
Mhm.
between the AI because the AI itself have their own,
Mhm.
how to say, we like the picture of the AI is really
Mhm.
different from the
Okay.
real one, because they make it look so unreal sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yes.
So yeah, we can
And
differentiate it.
yeah, we
Mhm.
can. And also
Yeah. What just say it in Indonesia.
um,
What do you want to say about the AI itself?
mm,
Or yeah, what is your hope maybe?
Oh,
What is
my
your
hope
hope in the
is
future, the what is your last statement about
Mm.
this phenomena, this hoax phenomena?
the hope is like we use the AI in good
Correctly,
way.
yeah, in a good way.
Yeah, in a good way, because sometimes we just make AI in
Just for having fun.
yeah, just for having fun, and just to make someone get the, how to say, like interaction.
Yeah.
We get the interaction,
Mhm.
and the AI itself, it's not always in a bad way.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Kanaya, and yeah, Kak Fikri, your last statement about hoax phenomena, hoax era. Mhm.
Pardon, please, can you repeat the question?
Yeah, just your hope because
Okay, I think it's not hope, I think it's my wish that
yeah.
I think
Yeah, I wish.
that you must use AI wisely.
Mhm.
For me, that sometimes there is people use AI for the bad thing, or
Yeah.
maybe they want
Mhm.
to separate the nation and make the situation more awful.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I
That's
think
true.
that's all.
Okay, thank you, Kak Fikri. And yeah, we move to Kak Jagad. Your last statement, or yeah, maybe your hope. What is your wish about the future? Like, is it about the hoax phenomena? How we can fight against the hoax?
Maybe of AI.
Mm-mm. Just yeah, in a general way, the hoax.
Okay. Maybe if
Yeah, what we can fix it.
fix. I didn't get.
Yeah, what is your hope in the future? Like, is it the hoax will be disappear, something like that?
Maybe if FAI, I'm mahasiswa. What's that?
The student.
The student.
Yeah, as a student.
So I'm always make use AI.
EA. Mm-hmm.
Of course, it's task.
Okay.
So it's so it's very I think yeah, useful
Uh-huh.
useful because it's I tired.
Hard to think. So you need the help of AI.
Yeah, I think that.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not someone not didn't understand.
Mm-hmm.
It's so it's very dangerous.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Kak Jagad. Maybe to all the viewers, smart viewers, and also smart listeners at home. Yeah, that's all about the discussion for this evening about hoax phenomena. Yeah, as Kak Jagad, Kak Fikri, and Kak Naya said before, the hoax is very dangerous if we didn't make a research and to make sure about the viral update information in around the world. So yeah, maybe that's all the discussion for today. And thank you very much for coming, guys. Kak Jagad, Kak Fikri, and also Kak Naya. And for all smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, don't forget to stay tuned with us in every Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. Absolutely on 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, goodbye.